Good morning, students. Today we revise the chapter number first, the Constitution. Okay, students. First of all, I tell you the first question is write the preamble to the Indian Constitution. Okay, students. We talk about the Indian Constitution. Okay, and we all are the people of India. Okay, if we are live in India, so we the people of India. So we the people of India. India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. Okay, and justice, its first point is justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Okay, so next second one is equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all. Okay, and the third one is in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Okay, is that clear the points? So next is what is the need and importance of a constitution. Okay, so like first point is the constitution provides a framework within which a government has to work, and it controls the misuse of power by the government. And the third one is it clearly defines, beta, constitution clearly defines their powers and functions, and it safeguards the fundamental rights of the citizens. Okay, okay, is that clear the points? What is the need and importance of a constitution? Clear? So students, next one is what is meant by the term secular. इज इंडिया सेकुलर स्टेट? देखो बेटा, जो सेकुलर टर्म है, सेकुलर का मीन है लाइक जो मतलब किसी के साथ भी, जो इंडिया का अपना कोई रिलीजन नहीं है, मतलब रीजन को लेके किसी के साथ कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं किया जाता. ठीक है, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मीन आपको पता है बेटा, जैसे भेदभाव करना. जैसे ये नहीं है कि ये सिख रिलीजन को मतलब पे फेथ करता है तो गवर्नमेंट है उसके साथ कुछ मिसयूज़, मतलब उसको राइट्स नहीं देगी. ठीक है, या हिंदू रिलीजन को इसने अडोप्ट किया तो उसे राइट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. नो. सो उन्होंने क्या पूछा, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय द टर्म सेकुलर? इज इंडिया सेकुलर स्टेट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, the term secular means the state has no religion of its own, and the state is neither religious nor anti-religious, and the state observes complete neutrality in religious matters. And India is a secular state in Indian Constitution from Articles 25th to 28th. Right to freedom of religion has been granted to all the person residing in India. Okay, and the 45th amendment lays down that the term secular means that all religious carry equal respect and recognition from the state. Okay, is that clear? So no doubt India is a secular state and no discrimination is ever made against any individual because of his her religion, and all the people in India forming different groups, sects, communications, and communities, etc., and everybody is equal before law and enjoy equal rights. Is that clear the point? मतलब हर पर्सन है वो कानून के सामने इक्वल है, इक्वल इंजॉयज करता है, मतलब जो अपने राइट्स है उसे इंजॉय करता है, किसी के साथ कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होता. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर द पॉइंट? सो आई होप you all understood the points. Thank you so much, students. Have a nice day.